Welcome to Mr. Jahs class, where I, Mr. Jah, cover educational topics in a short amount of time. Let's get started. How to solve for acceleration when dealing with Newton's second law. Let's take a look at this problem. Taylor, who weighs 78.9 kilograms, applies 1,269 newtons of force to the blocks at the start of a track and field sprint. What was the acceleration? Before we get to the problem, be aware that you can't just watch these videos and learn the equations. So please make sure you get your notebook and pencil and write down the steps. That way you don't just memorize what to do, you understand why we do what we're doing. This will be more beneficial in the long run. And if you know someone who needs help with these problems, please feel free to share it with them. Let's get to the video. Step 1. Write what you know. Force. Force is going to be 1,269 newtons. Mass is going to be right there, 78.9 kilograms. And then the acceleration we don't have because that is what we are trying to solve. Step 2. Plug in your values to the formula. The formula is force is equal to mass times the acceleration. So now all we got to do, plug in our values. Force goes there, mass goes there. So how do we solve for acceleration? We have to do the opposite operation. Acceleration is being multiplied by the mass. So we need to divide by the mass. This cancels it out, and whatever we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other side. So therefore, acceleration is equal to 16.08 meters per second squared. And that is how you solve for acceleration. Thank you for watching the video. Attention science teachers. Want some free physics resources for your classroom? Click the teacher link in the description. And as always, thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing.